Petrol prices are rising. Diesel is disappearing. So what's the solution? Maruti's answer, the Grand Vitara Hybrid. In 2025, is this the perfect SUV for India's changing roads? Let's find out. The Grand Vitara is Maruti Suzuki's flagship SUV, co-developed with Toyota under the Global Hybrid Alliance. It comes in two versions, a mild hybrid and a strong hybrid, a rare combination in this price range. But the real question is, can it truly challenge leaders like the Hyundai Creta, Kia Seltos, and Skoda Kushaq? From the outside, the Grand Vitara looks bold yet balanced. A wide signature grille, sharp LED DRLs, and a muscular stance give it a confident, premium look. While Korean rivals go all out on flashy chrome and aggressive styling, Maruti's design language feels elegant and timeless, built for buyers who prefer sophistication over show. Step inside, and the cabin greets you with a modern, premium layout. You get a 9-inch touchscreen, a panoramic sunroof, wireless charging, connected car tech, and 6 airbags as standard on higher trims. The strong hybrid version adds softer materials, a quieter drive, and that refined Toyota-sourced hybrid system that makes every trip smoother. Space is generous for both rows, and visibility is excellent, ideal for daily commuting and family road trips alike. Under the hood, you get to petrol engines. The 1.5-liter mild hybrid balances efficiency and affordability, while the 1.5-liter strong hybrid takes it to another level, delivering up to 27 kilometers per liter, making it one of India's most fuel-efficient SUVs in 2025. The power delivery is linear and seamless, shifting between petrol and electric modes automatically. It's tuned more for comfort and refinement than thrill, making it perfect for crowded city drives and long-distance cruising. Pricing ranges from 10.7 lakh rupees to 19.5 lakh rupees ex-showroom. That puts it right against the Creta, Seltos, and Kushaq, SUVs that offer more features and stronger acceleration. But where the Grand Vitara truly wins is in fuel savings, hybrid reliability, and Maruti's massive service network, which keeps ownership costs far lower in the long run. As of 2025, the official Bharat NCAP rating is still awaited. However, experts expect a solid 4 to 5-star rating based on its robust structure and safety equipment. You get 6 airbags, ESP, ABS with EBD, and hybrid-specific stability controls, ensuring the SUV feels planted and confident even on rough Indian roads. The Grand Vitara Hybrid combines modern looks, cutting-edge hybrid tech, and proven Maruti reliability. It's not the fastest SUV in its class, and it misses a few premium extras. But what it delivers instead is outstanding mileage, silent operation, and everyday practicality that perfectly fits Indian conditions. So, what would you choose in 2025? The fuel-saving Grand Vitara Hybrid or the feature-packed Hyundai Creta? Share your pick in the comments. I'd love to see what you think. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, because next we're bringing you the Grand Vitara versus Creta showdown. A battle of efficiency versus performance you won't want to miss. Prices mentioned are approximate and may vary with GST and market conditions.